Eric, Radiator Grill Store here, doing an install on a ZR1. And we've got the grill here. This is a very similar install to the Z06, so we're not going into too much detail. Got a little different bracket system. We're going to be putting that about 1.5 inches down on either side, respectively. We also have a grab handle in here just to help us get it and maneuver into position. And then we loosely connect our sticky pad right here, and we put a little tape here to keep it around to the front so it doesn't flop to the backside. So we're just going to send the grill in here, and we're going to grab this so we don't touch anything on the way in, and we'll send that all the way to the back. And then we'll start standing it up, and we'll put that corner, the top corner, in, and we're going to grab our handle here. We're going to start bringing it forward. We'll push this in between the body panel. There's a body panel here, and then there's a gasket right in between here. So we're going to be getting that part of the grill inside that cavity area there, grabbing with that outer piece, watching the bracket, make sure this gets into the space. Coax it along here. We'll pull the bracket forward enough to insert the T15. And then we'll clean off our area here and use the adhesion promoter and place our sticky pad. If you'd like to heat up the sticky pad, the back side of the sticky really helps it adhere. Press and hold the sticky pad. Sticky pads take about 48 hours to really get their full strength. And do not over tighten it, otherwise it will want to pull apart before it sets up. Clip off the ends and you're done. You can find these products and more at radiatorgrillstore.com.